we are at Lake Elementaita, which is one of the 3 lakes we're going to be exploring in the last 2 days in Kenya. This lake has dried up quite a lot actually, but there's a lot of beautiful flamingos here. So it's at day 1. We're staying not so far from here in a little resort. We're going to go to Nakuru after this. Tomorrow we'll do a little bit of Naivasha as well as Hell's Gate National Park. So let's go see some of the flamingos. These flamingos are very shy animals. The closer you try to get to them, the faster they will fly away, but they are so beautiful. I was trying to find some hippos here, but apparently you can go to Lake Naivasha for that, so we'll do that tomorrow. But for now, enjoy the beautiful flamingos. So we just arrived at Lake Nakuru National Park. Unlike Elementaita, you have to pay a fee to get in here. We paid $40 each, and we're going to go see the lake now. But they're very close to each other, barely about 20 minutes drive, and you can get from Elementaita to the nearest gate of the Nakuru National Park. In hindsight, we should have spent an entire day doing the game drive around Lake Nakuru National Park, but we were short on time, and also we'd seen quite enough in Masai Mara, so this I think was quite appropriate for us, and the sunset was the best part of the lake anyway. So basically, Nakuru Lake National Park is a bit different from the other lakes because you can do a game drive here. They even have lions, rhinos, giraffes, zebras, etc., etc. That's why they have an entrance fee, and you can even stay inside here with a few lodges, etc. But I think we've done that in Mara, so we're just happy to see all the beautiful pelicans and flamingos around, and we just spent like half a day, which made it probably the most expensive place we have been in Kenya for the amount of time we've spent in it. Morning, it's day 2 of our 3 lakes tour, and we've come to Lake Naivasha today. So this is the Crescent camp, and we're gonna do a boat ride from here to go see some hippos and some more flamingos. So let's go exploring. hippos. So I finally got to see 3, 4, 5 actually hippos. They are so cool and I love how lazy they are. I want that life for myself. If you get the time, you can also do a walking safari on Crescent Island, which costs about $40, but we didn't have time, so we decided to move on. So we finished our boat ride and then we headed to the Hell's Gate National Park. But unfortunately, the gorge and the canyon there is closed. It's a little bit tricky because they don't know when the weather can change. So it can be closed on short notice. So we are actually going to Mount Longonot now to see the crater from the top, which is quite a fun alternative, I think. So let's go. We just spotted a giraffe on the roadside. How cool is that? It was really, really close and then he ran away when we got closer. We just got to Longonot. It's the one right behind me. And we only have a couple of hours to go and conquer it. So let's go. I can see them running there. It's not too bad. I thought the hike would be a lot harder, but it's actually quite nice and it's very green on the way. So I can almost see the top, but it's become a lot harder now, which is a bit more fun as well. Oh my God. I did it! Took me an hour and a half, but I did it. And I was so sweaty I had to take my shirt off, but it feels so good up here. It was a hard hike. This is the end. I am going down now. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour and the beautiful places here. Do check out my more videos from Kenya and Tanzania. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Do leave me some comments, let me know how you found it.